Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel TechUp, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can change your username on your Yubo app. To do so, first of all, just open up your Yubo app. From here, go on to profile, which is on the top right side of your screen, and again go on to your settings. After that, you can see an option for accounts. Go on to account, and here if you click on your name, you'll be able to change your name. Now just remove the current one and you can change your username to whatever you like, and just click on update. After that, your username will be updated, and that's how easy it is to change your username on your Yubo. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.